Hey guys, welcome back to this video. It is Tristan me, and we got some squishies. Squishies. Wait, we can't see this. Okay. Squishies. Squishies are these little big fellas. They're super cute. Yeah. Then we got this one. Let me show you my cute one. Then we got the llama or the dinosaur. Rawr. Then we got the elephant. Elephant. Guys, isn't it cute? Oh. Nice. So we got our squishies. And we are the best YouTubers. Shut people. This is Jace. That's Jace. That's Aaliyah. So, I'm the big boss of this whole squishy thing because I am the best. So, bye. I am the best. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. Hey, what are you guys arguing about? I'm arguing about this dumb squishy video. Hey, don't call it dumb. This is my little piggy. Oink, oink, piggies. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oh, oink, mine's getting dirty. What is it? A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. I'm just going to color it here. Oh, get my bag. So, guys. So this is my squishy. So what we are here to do is that we see these cute little fellas. This is masterpiece. So guys, if you want to order this, these are what they are. My cloud. You want to go get my cloud. My piggy. This is what they're gonna look like. They look like this. And we're gonna make sand slime. Let me go get sand slime. Show him. See sand. Here's the sand slime. Woo! Sand slime. So and we get to make it later today. Because I'm going to go with my daddy, sorry. And I have my piggy. What? What? You thought I was going to throw up. And my little... I gotta go use the bathroom. I think this is like a rabbit. See? Maybe a rabbit or bunny. Ooh. Dang, gotta get that. Gotta get that. Doom, doom, doom. Get that doom, doom, doom. Right, bye. See you later, guys. We'll tell you about the sand stuff. And bye. Look at this one. This is probably a bunny. See you later. Bye. And we'll see you. Fish. Okay, there goes the fish. That's a shark. And bye, that's all. Bye. No, wait. I gotta do this. Alright, guys, that's it. We'll come later. They tell you about the sand slime. Bye. Go. Now turn it off.